What makes this property unique is we are in New Orleans, which is a subtropical climate. There's a lot of rain, a lot of humidity, high temperatures, and we do have some cool season in the dead of winter. We do have some frost. When concerning different turf management practices as a Midwest compared to a coastal region, one of the biggest concerns is the fact that we are sand-based. So our nutrient uptake and our holding capacity is a lot lower than in areas that have clay or silt or topsoil. So we always are cognizant of what type of fertilizers we use, how available it is to the plant, and what kind of release we would have into the environment. One of our biggest concerns here at Bayou Oaks is the rainfall that we have in New Orleans. Clearly we just took 13 inches of rain over the last 3 days here. So water infiltration is one of our largest concerns. Clearly here in the city park we have a lot of water, so we're very cognizant not to have a leaching problem where we're putting a lot of phosphorus or nitrogen into the waterways. So we want to make sure that we have products in the soil profile that will utilize the nutrients as maximum as possible. Therefore we do aerify a lot, we do add a lot of gypsum to keep the water moving through our profile and off the site.
The goal we have for product recommendations to turf managers is that it helps them solve a problem. And it does it on a consistent basis, and obviously it has an economic value to it as well. So what got me really interested in the calcium products, and especially the SO4, was the three things. It was the purity of the product, and that's due to where they're located. It was the grind of the product. Nobody out there was grinding it as fine as they were, which meant it was going to be a better release and better activity. And then three, the way they were reconstituting the product with their formulation so that it readily dissolved with very little water. And what that meant to us was we could use much lower rates and get immediate results with the calcium products SO4 than any of the bulk gypsums or the other granular gypsum products out there.
So one of the main reasons that we like SO4 product here in New Orleans is due to the fact we have a lot of humidity. We do like the way the pellet and the prills are made up with the SO4. We find that it doesn't break down, it's not very dusty, it's easy to handle, and comes out of our machinery nice and evenly. So as far as handling, we haven't found a better product.